on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Take a breath, thoughts racing through my head. I try to capture it, but a picture can't hold what a heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. Come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. Come alive in moments like this. In moments like this. I don't wanna close my eyes. I'm feeling so alive. I try to find the words, but no words can say what my heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. We'll hold up the light, burn a hole in the night. When we are here, when we are here. So we'll hold up the light, burn a hole in the night. When we are here, when we are here. Moments like this. Moments like this. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this.
When I first met you, I would never have thought that you were going to be the one I marry and start a family with. Since then, the days have become a blur of happiness and love, and with each day, that love only grows stronger. I love you with all my heart, and I promise to put you first in any and all situations. When the days are dark, I promise to be your light, and when they are cold, I promise to be your heat. You are the love of my life, and I can't wait to grow with you. I love you.
A story speaks and silences my thoughts.
Austin Ramsey, we finally made it to our wedding day. It's been almost exactly 2 years since you proposed to me in our living room, and I've counted down every day since. You're the most loving, sweet, and patient person I could ever ask for, even when you get on my nerves. I honestly feel like the first time I met you, I knew we would marry each other one day. You have been the biggest blessing in my life. You are the funniest person I know, and I never want to stop laughing with you. I can't wait to see you become a father to our future children and open a whole new side of who you are. You are everything I could have dreamed of, and I'm excited for forever with you. Your love for me has shown me someone can love me and appreciate me as me when I have my own flaws. When we have a problem, you're the first to think of a solution, and we fix it and continue to grow as a team. I will be forever grateful for the day we met, and I will love you until my last breath. Here's to being your wife.
Waited for a love that outlasts time.
Acting in the authority vested in me by the laws of this state, and looking to God for divine sanction, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Therefore, what God hath joined together, let no man part asunder. Austin, you may kiss your bride.
And I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Oh, through everything, here we stand, hand in hand, I'm yours. And I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Oh, through everything, here we stand, hand in hand, I'm yours. And I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Through everything, here we stand, hand in hand, I'm yours.
I'm so incredibly proud of and happy for you both that your day is finally here. But I genuinely cannot thank you enough for loving and caring for her so purely and treating her like the princess that she is.
Let them know that we're here.
So just be easy on them. You guys learn and live and love each other.
Find what we've been looking for.
Congratulations. I'm glad y'all found each other. And Cessna, I love you. You've always been there for me when I needed somebody the most. You've always been there.
And when I